He's extra cautious. Ooh. Did the one in Finland spin while he goes up the lift?
Good, stick the flow.
Oh yeah.
This thing is really sketchy.
Whoa. Yeah, it had a lot of plastic wheels on it. Might be smooth. Whee!
Stop tilting, Red Mike.
Ah!
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah.
That's what I came here for.
Going kind of fast.
Oh god.
I hope it's ripped.
Whoa!
I literally feels like it's like the car's wobbling, like it's gonna break. This is the most weight.
Ah!
This is the most weight that's ever been in this vehicle.
Whoa! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! That's a big hit.
Ow! Fuck.
Ow!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Where'd that come from?
Whoa! Ah! Oh, we didn't catch it that time.
Oh.
Oh.
How does
Pretty
that transfer
fun.
track work? It's kind of far away.
Yeah, holy crap. They have to use the lift.
Something about to rescue people. What? Is it just gonna bang right now?
I don't need to ride the log flip.